You guys ready for some new photography gear? Well, we've got some ideas for you. Howdy everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, we're gonna be looking at 5 things that we think every photographer needs, and maybe even some extra things you might need. So let's start off with this, a reflector. Now a reflector is gonna be a must-have for any photographer's gear, and especially if they shoot portraits. Why is that? And it's not just a reflector, it's got a cover on it with 2 sides. One side has a reflective silver surface and black light absorbing fabric. The other side is white, which reflects light slightly, but not as much as silver. And gold is gonna be for warmer reflected light. If I take the cover off of the reflector, it's gonna turn into a diffuser, which can then be used to soften any harsh light. And another thing that every photographer needs is some cleaning equipment. These tools can include glass cleaning solutions, microfiber cloths, different brushes, cleaning sticks, dust blowers, and last but not least, sensor cleaning sticks. A lot of people are afraid to clean their sensors themselves, but there's absolutely no reason to. Sensors are protected by fairly thick glass, so as long as you are careful, you follow the correct procedure, and you don't do anything crazy, nothing's gonna happen. The reason for getting these tools is obvious. After all, cleanliness is next to godliness. This applies not only to people, but especially cameras. Besides stepping in dog doo-doo, there's nothing more annoying than just charging a single battery at a time. And that's why we recommend getting one of these. So you can charge 2 batteries at once with these dual battery chargers. Now they make dual chargers now for just about every type of camera battery. And if you want to save yourself a lot of time and stress and frustration, we recommend that you get one highly. Or 2 if you have multiple batteries. Now one thing to watch out for is choosing the right adapter. It's got to be powerful enough to charge 2 batteries at once and not take 100 years to charge. Now another essential thing we think you need is going to have to be different types of filters and lenses. Not only is it going to improve your photography, give you better looking photos, it's also going to protect your lens from any damage that might occur out in the field. Now if you're confused about what each filter does and how, feel free to check out our video below in the description about lens filters that we already recorded. You can find that at the link at the top of the video or, as I said, in the description below. Now the 5th thing that every photographer needs, we think every photographer needs, is gonna have to be memory cards, and lots of them. You never know when you're gonna need more space, and you can keep them all nicely like this, organized in a nice little case. We'll leave the type of camera card you choose up to you, but every camera requires something different, so it's best to choose a card that works best with your camera. However, what we do recommend is getting cards from reputable manufacturers and not pinching pennies by buying some off-brand. No one wants to lose all their photos just because they went cheap on a low-quality card. If you already got multiple camera cards, definitely get a case like this, and ideally a case that's sturdy and that's gonna protect your cards from all the elements, dust, and any physical things that could happen to them. Plus, cards are super easy to lose, so it's a good idea to have a place where you just keep all of them together. So those are the 5 things that we think every photographer needs, but we also mentioned that we're going to include and talk about something extra that we think everyone needs, and they might be just a wee bit pricier. Let's go take a look. Now the first is going to be some type of backpack or bag for your camera. The worst thing you can do to your camera is carry it around in your backpack with all of your belongings, having it all smash around together, and then run the risk of damaging it or it getting clogged with dust and other stuff like that old piece of cheese you forgot to throw out last week. And that's why a camera bag or backpack is definitely going to come in handy. And although camera backpacks are not the cheapest, camera bags can be purchased for a more reasonable cost, and especially compared to the cost of repairing your damaged camera. Now the next and final thing on our list is gonna have to be the tripod. Yes, sure, a high quality tripod can cost you hundreds of dollars, but if you're an amateur photographer who pulls out a tripod twice a year, and one of those times is your kid's Christmas performance, there's no point in investing that much money. There are cheaper options that will suffice, and they're gonna serve their purpose more than enough. Plus, a tripod unlocks a range of opportunities to improve your photography skills, such as taking nighttime photos. So that's 5, actually 7 things that we think every photographer needs to be successful and to enjoy yourselves out in the field. If you guys liked this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give us a thumbs up anyway. Hit the subscribe bell so you never miss another video from us, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care. Ciao.